Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Gonna bring you another video. Hope everybody's doing good. First off, I want to show you my painting from my last video. Turned out pretty well. Here it is. I think it looks nice. Haven't varnished it or resined it or anything. So if you're interested, all my contact information is in the description box below every video. Today I'm going to be working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and I've already put my base coat down. It's going to be black. I need to torch it. Put the air bubbles out. Just save some time if I go ahead and torch it or put the base coat down before I start recording. It's long and boring. See some canvas coming through. I just put my finger in it, so that's not going to help any either. Always stick your finger in it. That's not going to help cover the canvas. There we go. And little flip cups on this. Little tiny cups. This big. And I have rose gold to start with. I have sapphire blue. And I have a silver. These are all metallic colors. There's my doggy barking. Okay, there's one cup. Let's mix them up a little bit. Start with the sapphire. And then silver. And then rose gold. There's my second cup. And now the third cup. And I have more cups if I think that we're going to need them. Okay, let's move these over. Hand wipe off a little bit. Okay, here we go. First cup, let's there. And we'll do a second cup here. And then the third cup over there. Let them sit for a minute. My back is really bothering me today. Let them out a little bit at a time. See what happens. Pick them up, see if we can get them to move a little bit. them sit. I'll give them a torch. See what happens. Trying to keep you in frame here. I see something in my paint. Grab my tweezers. Yep, that was a big something. Don't want that. What do we think? Don't like this being so big. See if we can run a little bit of that off. Don't think it's going to move much more. There we go. Let's see something else. Geez, my paints are loaded today with gunk. Usually don't have any, but I sure do today. I don't see any more, I don't think. I like it, but I think I want something right over here. Maybe I'll do another small cup on that side. So I'll start with the rose gold and the sapphire. And then some silver. Plop it down there. Leave that for a second. See what we can get out of that one. I know you're seeing the back of this, but that's okay, I guess, for right now. There we go. Bring it down this way so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Just bring it back. There, I think I like that much better. It's got more on that end, but we still have our negative space. That looks nice. Some more color up in there, I think. There we go. There. I think that's about it. That looks pretty darn good. I hope that you're all being safe. I hope that you'll all subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you so desire. All my information for purchasing any painting will be down in my description box below every painting. I have all new paintings on my Facebook page. You can get to it down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Move that, give you a close-up. Start over here. It's really pretty, I think. So my edges are all covered. Yep, I love metallics. My icky black gloves off. Like I said, I used all acrylics and all metallic paints this time. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be sure and answer them for you. Like I said, please subscribe, tell all your friends and family. Trying to build up my viewer audience, and I really appreciate it. And as always, please have a great day.